Yeah, great things are getting at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. You don't know, and I never be too trying to be too critical of the institution them ever exist in Jamaica because basically we know them underfunded compared to them international counterparts and things like that. You get what I say? Yeah, in true familiarity and I them be too critical. See? So same thing with the shatter them and the gunman them down there. I'm still not too critical of them. Either I'm try my effect. Well, if you observe, you don't know. Yeah, but I have a little video where I'm sure you don't know probably most of them see already still, but that one is kind of more vivid than the rest when we really see, you know? You kind of you don't know, demoralizing feelings when you say the security force are behave like this, because them more than anybody else should be an example. After you watch the video, still me explain to you my discuss. More bless. Yeah. My disgust is that thing like this where if you are gonna put yourself out there in a danger, seeing for say protect society, seeing you have to basically put yourself on a certain level of militancy whereby you can carry out such a procedure. You understand what I say? And in your action and your doing, you have to use and profess a certain level of I don't know, characteristics where you know what I say, managerial level. You know, see, you're not gonna really go out there and show up yourself like you're the man them where you fight against or the man them where you are criticize. I do the same thing them. You understand what I say? It's like now I can see why you them so brazen and bright and I do something because come like most of the man them I shoot up the man them a companion. You know, see, you never shoot police like them and police are companion. And police are do things like that. Like, you know what I say? Police now setting a pattern and a wall up no principle and no standards different from the criminal them. You know, see, and when you look on it, the amount of police whether they are not the same thing, can watch her. See a picture here where I show and say, again, you know, Boy, the man them, me not tell a lie. Me speechless. Me not tell a lie. Because the wickedest thing, I'm not too critical of the police force. I try my best not to be. When brutality happen or anything like that, you don't know man talk up or whatever. But when you see incident like that, man, leave you speechless. You know, see, because they at least at the end of the day, I have to support them. I did that day about 2-3 videos ago, me say, you have to have law enforcement, because without law enforcement is chaos. You understand what I say? But when you look on the amount of police, me even afraid for, when me think about me, I say, what if when all of them they get disciplined for them because a criminal act them there, you know, one them a break the lockdown, two, them a fire shot, them a endanger the public. All of them supposed to lose them job for that. Jamaica can't afford to lose so much police. And then the whole of them, they're not one of them. To say, boy, yo, cool down. I said, no, choice or something. Act like an informer, then make them join themselves. Everybody they do the same thing as that. Nobody for say, cool down. Yo, that irresponsible and shelly. I'm not telling a lie, John, no. I'm not a police or nothing like that, but them same thing that we talk to the gunman them about, so them now move like gunman, them move like them are just murderer, like them are just serial killer. Police are move like so well, then them are just some youth with gun. So much I don't care in the one place, man. I behave like a star. That not gonna remain quiet, that can't keep quiet. You see it? Anyway, good thing is that the authorities them say them investigate it and them are looking to what go on. Here what go on now. Me no want someone to forget discipline because I hear that thing that. So you see what me do? I save a few still pictures where me know say the High Commissioner can use and pick up and work. If them are police, them know what go on and can them are witness or them are accused. If them are regular patron, them are witness and them are accused. So them picture here I put down here so. Just watch and see. But High Commissioner know them and must can figure out who them guy is. You understand what I say? Yeah. Because if I saw be the case, I'm going to make a connection with Mark Shields. Mark Shields can make a connection with them all linking at the British police them. Send them the same video here. And believe you me, them man they can pick up everybody with them on the video there and show you them clear as day. You understand what I say? High Commission, if you claim say nobody feel like say you're gonna say so and not do nothing, and then you don't seem to be corrupt, you cannot exclude yourself from this corruption unless you make the people them who are responsible bear the penalty for what go on. And if you treat them just like how you treat a criminal, like for instance, if a criminal have an accomplice knowingly and no one reveal the accomplice, him likely get sentenced for himself and the accomplice. You understand what I say? Because you have proof say you're tougher than the law. You understand what I say? You're still not sorry for what you do. You're not sure like you have the form of compassion for but your damage what you do, but your crime. You know, see it, you still cover and protect other other elements of the crime. See? So you please or whatever now go accept it. You know what I'm saying? No man, in our police don't have to be example, and just like how me comes to shatter them and I tell them so you can't kill a woman, and you can't do certain things and shoot after police like I tell you them for avoid interaction with you and you move so. You not show yourself no respect, man. Anyway, you don't know. Share, like and subscribe, yes sir. More bless.